Dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up.
Truck did a couple things already. As you can tell, I did the aftermarket headlights. They have a sequential turn signal, which is pretty unique. These are from eBay. I did get roughly around $450. They do have an LED strip, which I do like better than just the Enzos itself. Did get wrap my bumper with my dad. Wrapped it white 3M vinyl with also the black in the middle, essentially. A 3.5 inch lift kit. It's from SST Readlift. It's a upper control arm upgrade as well as a spacer lift. Essentially, that's what I'd done to it. Also, did a rear block. Don't know if you can see that. There's a block. That's what I'd done to it. Also did a towing hitch in the rear. It's aluminum. This is what I've done. It's pretty sturdy. I tried a couple times already. Towed a couple of dirt bikes with my dad. One in Glamis, no problem. Coming around this side here, I mean, I did break down the other features in my truck already, like the wheels, tires, the running boards. Did wrap my roof black, as you can see. Let me get a better angle here. Hopefully you can see everything. That's what I've done. I'm planning on wrapping the mirrors possibly white to match the body of the truck. Tint the windshield black. What else? There's a couple other things I want to do. Cold air intake possibly. A lot of good things I've done to the truck already. I'm pretty happy with it, pretty stoked. I want to get a tonneau cover in the rear. Little things there. Make it clean it up, give it an overall clean look. Just get rid of the stickers. Possibly wrap this black instead of the chrome. I do not like chrome whatsoever. I'll make a left signal. Check this out. Really cool. I love that look. It stands out better than other aftermarket headlights that I was going to purchase, but that's one little feature I really like. That's what it comes down to. I really like my truck so far. I mean, what else? I can't think of the top of my head exactly what I want. Maybe possibly a tune, make it a little bit quicker. I know I'm throwing bigger tires, so probably the best bet is to get either rear gear, throw colder intake, little things to make a little bit more horses. That way I can feel that power. Weight on the running boards are made out of steel. I have the towing hitch in the rear. It does add some weight, believe it or not, but overall I'm pleased with my truck. I love it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please give me a comment below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer those questions. I'm pretty busy at the moment, but like I said, I'll try to put a link in the description of everything I've done to the truck. That way you know where to find them and the prices on that as well. But like I said, you guys have a wonderful day. You guys enjoy this video, and like I said, please subscribe if you can. Thank you.